Plato described Atlantis as a powerful empire lost to catastrophe over 9,000 years before his time, a vast island with concentric rings of land and water, advanced technology, and a tragic end. For centuries, people have searched for it, in the Mediterranean, the Atlantic, even Antarctica. But what if the clues point to the Sahara Desert in Mauritania? A massive geological formation called the Richat Structure, the Eye of the Sahara, has sparked a modern theory that it could be the site of Plato's lost city. On WHYMATTER, we explore real facts and intriguing ideas that fuel humanity's deepest dream, discovering lost worlds and unlocking our ancient past. Let's dive in, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mysteries that challenge what we know. Plato, in his dialogues Timaeus and Critias, tells of Atlantis through the story passed from Egyptian priests to Solon. Key details: a large island beyond the Pillars of Hercules, Strait of Gibraltar, central city with concentric rings, alternating land and water circles. The citadel, approximately 23 kilometers, 127 stadia in diameter. Surrounded by mountains to the north, fertile plains, canals, hot, cold springs, and advanced engineering. Destroyed by earthquakes and floods in a single day and night, sinking into the sea. This vivid account has inspired explorers for millennia. But could it describe a real place? Located in the Adra Plateau of Mauritania, the Richat Structure is a 40 kilometers wide eroded geological dome. Concentric ridges and depressions that look eerily like artificial rings from above. Proponents popularized by channels like Bright Insight and researchers like Jimmy Corsetti point to matches. Concentric circles, similar to Plato's land, water rings. Diameter close to Plato's citadel size, approximately 23 to 40 kilometers range. Inland location, once possibly wetter during the Green Sahara period, approximately 10,000 to 5,000 years ago, with evidence of ancient lakes and rivers. Mountains nearby, potential for ancient waterways or mud shoals from flooding. The theory suggests Atlantis was built on or around this natural formation, later buried by desertification after a catastrophe perhaps linked to the Younger Dryas event approximately 12,000 years ago. But science tells a different story. The Richat Structure is a natural eroded dome formed approximately 100 million years ago from igneous intrusion and differential erosion, not a city or impact crater. Key contradictions with Plato. It's 400 to 500 kilometers inland in today's desert. No evidence of ocean access or sinking. No archaeological remains. No walls, buildings, artifacts, or human settlements from 12,000 years ago. Only older, Paleolithic tools. Rings are incomplete, eroded natural strata, not engineered canals. Plato's timeline and location island in Atlantic don't align with a landlocked Saharan site. Geologists and archaeologists, including studies from 2021 to 2025, classify it as a geological heritage site, spectacular but natural. No recent 2025 to 2026 research supports Atlantis links. It's fringe theory without evidence. Even without proof, the Richat Atlantis idea captivates us because it taps into something profound. Humanity's eternal dream of exploration and discovery. What if ancient civilizations were more advanced than we think? What lost knowledge lies buried under sands or seas? The Eye of the Sahara reminds us how little we know about our planet's past and how much adventure awaits those who search. Atlantis may be myth, allegory, or memory of real events like Minoan collapse. But theories like this drive science forward, inspiring digs, satellite scans, and new questions about who we are. So, did Atlantis exist in Mauritania? The evidence says no. It's a fascinating geological wonder, not a sunken empire. But the search for lost worlds continues. What do you think? Myth, misremembered history, or something more? Comment below. Like if this sparked your curiosity, share with fellow explorers, and subscribe for more real mysteries that connect us to our human story. Curiosity starts here. See you in the next one.